Gear Auto Mechanical. Nice to see you. Anyway, today we're going to be doing this side. Yay! Once again, we're going to have some fun. We're going to cut this metal off, and we'll see you on the other side. There it goes. All right. Oh, finally. There it is. Wow, this one's worse. I thought it would be better, but it's not. Holy crap. I gotta figure out what to do about this. And this. It looked better from the outside, much worse than the other side. Damn. Alright, yay! Well, to conclude another episode of Gear Auto Mechanical, we got some screwed up shit that's I gotta pay attention to and figure out what to do about it. Because we already lost the bolt that goes down here. So even getting the length might be a little difficult, and we'll figure it out though. It's one of those things that happens, and in a lifetime, it's not too bad. Alright, till next time, signing out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's always a treasure hunt. Look at this treasure. Yeah. Have a good one.